Hey guys, David and Mike, the Discount Property Investors. We're coming to you today with some knowledge about some of the real estate formulas that we use in our business. Today we're going to be talking about the 1% rule when it comes to real estate. The 1% rule is such a simple rule. And basically what it tells me when I'm evaluating a property is if this property is going to cash flow. That's basically what this rule does. If it hits the 1% rule or it's above that, we know for sure that it's going to cash flow. If it's below the 1% rule, it may cash flow.
So the 1%
but it's
rule,
not
guys,
guaranteed.
What is it? If you look at a property that has a value of $100,000, 1% of 100 is $1,000. So it should rent for $1,000 a month. That's the 1% rule. And if it's above that number, above 1%, then it's probably a pretty good cash flowing property. If it's below that, it's going to be a little bit difficult.
That's right. Are you bringing in at least 1% of the all-in amount? Not just what you bought it for, but what you bought it for, what you spent to fix it up, the total amount that you're invested. Are you getting 1% of that in gross monthly rent? And again, if you do, you should be cash flowing. If you do not, you may or may not be. And again, it's a simple way to determine if a property will cash flow, the 1% rule.